Pintamos toda la casa y sin dejar caer una sola gota de pintura que no sea. ¿Qué es eso?
You ready for the night? Can I get a brew? Can I get brews? Where's your brew?
Bro, who dog is this, bro? I can't even get the out of my car, man. Who dog is this, bro?
And we cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama!
Oh my God! We got Porky with the forky. Whoa, that Porky forky, man.
No! As long as he knows he can literally jump up here.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
There's something inside me that wants to go grab that girl and slap the shit out of her, but I'm not gonna do it.
Oh my God! You know what? This is really scary. Oogly moogly.
Do you have a towel? Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yo, I'm really sorry, okay?
What is wrong with you? Why are you blue?
It's such a good Are you okay? Oh my goodness. Here.
Oh, hey. I got a text from Joe.
Here.
Mano, amor, olha o que o gato fez, velho.
No.
Huh? 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 Huh?
Help! 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 Help!
And I would have just left it. You have to come and press me. Come at me like I was some criminal. You know how that made me feel? To walk into a police...
What gives me uncontrollable gas? Pick a card.
Hey, yo, what are you looking at? Sexy cats? Bro, you're not old enough. Take the bottle instead.
Pintamos toda la casa y sin dejar caer una sola gota de pintura que no sea. ¿Qué es eso? And we cannot escape, we cannot come out.
Mama!
Pissing all by yourself, handsome?
Mother. Mother, I crave violence.
Excuse me, what the actual are you doing in my house?
Hi.
Don't run! Murife! Murife, don't run! Hey! Murife, don't run!
He just wrapped himself.
La Corea del Sud con Kim, Jung Wan, Naso, Lin e Wang.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What do you have to say about that?
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. All right. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Wait.
Can we get a word? We heard you don't like laundry. What do you have to say about that?
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Oh, Finley.
Here we go.
While on your walk tonight, your brother peed on your head. Any comment?
Damn, we catch ourselves a baby hammerhead. Look at him. He's so cool.
Chucky, no! No! Chucky, please, no! No, Chucky! Please!
This is Peter Ras.
I don't know what the hell that is. Is it a lynx? What is that?
Definitely not a domestic cat.
Aw, she's so cute! Oh, she's packing heat!
So apparently cats lick your scent off when you pet them.
I tried to hand feed sparrows.
Babies. Oh, you're so cute. Ow!
This
Oh.
Il est 7h du matin. Faut se réveiller. Oh, je sommeille.
Ay, lago.
Estamos esperando la pizza aquí afuera de la casa de Titan. Ya llegó.
Tirón. ¿Estás haciendo baños de vapor?
Tonks. How do you keep getting out? Jesus. You're the most useless cat I've ever seen in my life.
No. Sure. What happened to him?
It died.
What the? It's all flowers.
Our bodies, keeping us healthy and keeping us keeping on, and we are so thankful for everything that you do for us, Lord Jesus.
Just got to Canvas Line, please, driver. You been busy tonight?